user, and there's this error, cannot read license file. That's because I did not make a license file, so just click OK. And then it'll have the license agreement, which is nothing because I don't have one. Just click I agree because you have nothing to agree with. I don't give a crap what you do with the software. Click next. Yeah. When you don't have it downloaded, it's really slow. So, and the time is wrong. I don't know what time zone that is. It's like 5 o'clock in real time. La 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 la. Oh. So again, I'll pause because it takes really long when it's not completely downloaded it. So yeah, and then you'll get this map. Okay, it's still loading. Okay, so you're gonna have a map, and you can, I guess you can zoom or choose. Yep, there we go. I can zoom into Europe. I don't want to zoom into Europe though, so I'll just there we go. Oh, wait. What island is that? I don't see that. Oh. Okay, well you just choose your time zone, and then it'll say suggested part that. I'll say these two random things. Just say this one. I guess I have no idea what it does. Just click next, and then I'm pretty sure, and then it'll download. So it takes a while, and you do need internet, Wi-Fi, dial-up, whatever. So after you download it, I'm just gonna close it. I really don't care about that machine because I don't use it. But so then you're gonna, it's gonna be downloaded. It's gonna make you restart. So when it restarts, this is actually the one that's downloaded. You want to click F12 when it says it. Just click F12 right when it starts. I actually did not do that. Just click F12, and then you'll get this thing. You do this because for some reason, when you start it normally, it doesn't do it. You have to do this every time you start it after you download it. So, yeah. And just click 1. It's primary master. Just click the 1 on the thing, and then you'll get your 2 options to start it: failsafe and OpenSUSE, which is actually FLOS. Just click enter. It'll do that stuff, and then it'll just start up like it will. No, oh. Okay. No. It'll just start up like it normally would. I don't know, but it would just load up. It actually loads faster than it normally would if you normally started it up, because again, it's faster when it's downloaded. So then, when you start it up, I won't get it because I just don't get it because I already did it. But you're gonna get this pop-up. It says OpenSUSE. Just click run or next or whatever, and just let it do its thing. Don't click abort. Just let it do its thing. Click next whenever you have to, and then you'll get this screen. Firefox won't be there. I put that there, but you'll just get your user's home. Oh yeah, it makes you put your username in. I think I actually missed that part when I was doing it earlier, but you'll get your trash, and you get it also gives you a CD-ROM software. So if you want to mount a CD on, be my guest. And then Firefox won't be there. I'll show you how to get on the thing in a second. That'll be not there. It'll be not there. Yeah. So then, basically all of your programs, you just click computer, and more applications. So then, as you can see, it's running very fast. The default programs I put on are GIMP, OpenOffice, which is like Word. This is actually Paint, I think, Microsoft Paint. Firefox and Thunderbird. Thunderbird is like a what is it? Outlook stuff. It's like built-in mail. Firefox is internet. There's OpenOffice.org. I have no idea why that's there. I think it's just like there. And OpenOffice Writer, which is like Word. And then you get all these weird things. Tomboy Notes, which is like Notepad. I have no idea why they're there. Sound recorder and sound. If you hook up a microphone to your computer itself, I'm not 100% sure if it'll work. I'll check that later and get back to you on that. And so you can choose your things, your programs. And how I got Firefox here, if I want Thunderbird, I'll drag it there, and then boom, it's there. So then I can exit out the application browser, move Thunderbird to where I want it to be, the Firefox. Thunderbird is also a Mozilla thingamajiggy. They're probably gonna make like leaf, cat, dog thing. Also, for some reason, you have to change your time. I did not do it on this one. To change it when you're setting it up, you have to like, instead of choosing your time zone, you have to actually change the time, because for some stupid reason, it does not work. Okay, so this is your screen. It's faster, it's a different operating system, but you still have your regular original operating system. Like I have Windows 7 on my laptop right now, and I also have FLOS on my VirtualBox. And for some reason, if you want to go back to the original user thing, you can log out, you'll get dialogue thingamajig, and then it'll come to this screen, and you'll get I'm Chris T, and it'll say user. Just click user, type in Linux, log in, and come up the exact screen. I don't know why you want to do this. It's just like if you want to make more than one person, and it'll come up like it did, except for it'll have the CD-ROM because it's already installed. Don't click this; it'll use up your fake memory. So then, when you want to turn it off, go to computer. Make sure you don't exit out. I was exiting it out earlier because you can't do this otherwise. So if you're like at the home screen, if you forget, change your mind, you just click the X and click power off the machine. But when you're at your screen, just click computer, shut down, and then click the switch. And then it'll have the logo. It'll load, and then turn off. And you can, like, go on the internet and everything like you could on a regular desktop. It's actually pretty cool. You should try it out. You can actually, if you're brave enough to put it on your actual computer, like make it your default OS, then, tell me, leave a comment, send a message to me. Yeah, that'll never happen. So yeah. That's my operating system. It's called FLOS. And I hope you enjoy it. Try it out. Peace.